Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use LTX Studio to create and manage your projects efficiently. Stick around till the end to get all the key tips. First, download and open LTX Studio on your device. Once inside, you'll see the dashboard where you can start a new project or open an existing one. To create a project, click New Project, give it a name, and choose the project type based on your needs. LTX Studio offers tools for design, editing, and automation, all in one interface. Use the toolbar to access features like adding elements, adjusting layouts, and applying effects. You can preview your work anytime by hitting the preview button, and changes are saved automatically. For collaboration, LTX Studio allows you to share your project with team members or export it in multiple formats for different platforms. And that's it. With these steps, you can get started with LTX Studio quickly and efficiently. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching.